Hello everyone, this is Vanessa from Math with Van. So for today's question, I just want to highlight the point that we do not dismiss what this particular math heuristic, guess and check. And as you can see that in this question, you can use that very method here, guess and check, to solve the question easily. Mr. Lee has a total of 36 coins. They consist of only 20 cent, 50 cent, and $1 coins. He has twice as many $1 coins as 20 cent coins. The total value of the 50 cent coins is $4.40, more than the total value of the 20 cent coins. So how many $1 coins does Mr. Lee have? This question is taken from Nanyang Primary Prelim paper 2018, paper 2, question 8. Alright, so why is it that we cannot use assumption? In this question, there are 3 types of coins. That is why we are not able to use assumption. And neither can we regroup all these 3 variables into 2. So, if we cannot use assumption, yes, the other way is to use the total value concept, or rather the formula, and then applying some algebraic manipulations, you should get your answer. But in my opinion, for a 3 marks question, that would be a bit tedious. So, and also to highlight that, do not dismiss guess and check. So in this case, we have a certain number of conditions here. We have 36 coins, okay, 3 types of coins, and then twice as many $1 coins as 20 cent coins, and the most important, this statement, the total value of the 50 cent coins is $4.40, more than the total value of all the 20 cent coins. Because of this statement, I do not have to start off with any random numbers. I will start off with very specific numbers for the 20 cent. Why? Because for this to happen, okay, it must be the value of the 50 cent coins must be a certain whole number dollar value. And then you take away, it must be a certain number of 60 cents. So that you end up with 40 cents here. Right? So if you were to isolate this part, so it must be a certain number of 60 cents. It could be just 60 cents alone. It could be 160. It could be 260, and so on and so forth. But you do not have to worry, because the total is only 36, right? And since you have twice the number of $1 coins as 20 cents, you do not have to guess too big a number here. So there are not many numbers that we can actually, or we have to try and error. You see that? So if you like, you could just do a table here as well and see if all this add up to be 36. Okay? So now, if you want, you do a check with this. So if there are 60 cents coming from all the 20 cents, so I would only have 3. If I have 3 here, then I would have 3 times 2, 6 here, right? And then what about the 50 cents? So the 50 cents, as what we have indicated, it will be $4.40 more. So if $4.40 more, I plus the 60 cents. So this is the value of all the 50 cents. And that I would be getting 10 for $5. So I only have 10. So 3 plus 10, 13 plus 6, 19. So this cannot be the combination. So let's try the next one. So if I try the next one, then there will be 8. If this is 8, then here will be 2 times 8. That will give me 16, right? And let's take a look here. So I have 4.4 plus 160. That will give me $6. And $6 will give me 12.50 cents. So 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 16, 36. So that is my combination. Simple. So do not dismiss, get in check. Have a great day. Goodbye.